Okay, 2006. 2006 vintage as a whole was actually similar to '05 in the end, in that it was a very hot vintage, but during the growing season it was a lot different. We started out very cool, then we had a lot of heat during the summertime, almost excessive heat, and then in the fall the weather really cooled off. So it was a year that we used the entire growing season to get ripeness, and in fact some of those heat spikes during the summer produced, wound up actually delaying some of the ripening of the grapes. So even though it's probably warmer than 2005, which was a power year, 2006 I'd classify as a more elegant year. And you can definitely see that in the blend. This is 72% Cabernet Sauvignon, 19% Merlot, 4% Cab Franc, 3% Petit Verdot, and 2% Syrah. And those last two varieties in particular were ones that I needed to try to add a little bit more body and a little bit more structure to the Cabernet Merlot and Cab Franc. This is certainly a milestone wine for Col Solare, and that's the first one that we fermented start to finish at the new winery, estate winery that we built on Red Mountain. So that place gives us a lot of nice tools to be very detail orientated and very flexible as we work with the grapes and try to produce this style of wine. Wow, so when you smell it, it's got great aromatics. I mean, maybe for all the different vintages, the fruit aromas of this, the pure fruit really jumps out of the glass. A lot of black cherry, some dried fruit, black currant, just a very, very aromatic wine. Right, when you taste it too, what really rolls around in your mouth, again, it's just it's fruit. It's black fruit, which again is a character of the vintage. It is a more elegant wine, very well balanced, and maybe is still kind of coming to the bottom of where the wine really starts to erupt. I think Cabernet-based wines of this style, after year 5 and 6, that's when the wines really start to open up, really start to loosen up, and to show what they are. This one, maybe it's almost there. Maybe in another year or so is when it'll really start to loosen up more and reveal a lot more of that complexity. But still, a very nice wine for the vintage for now.